the river anymore.
No,
Yeah,
no.
That ship has set sail. Yeah.
That it has, because these rain showers kind of drop the river
Yeah.
temperatures too. So yeah, just stay inside where it's warm, and we continue to see the wet weather make its way down across the area. But I wanted to show you this video, pretty interesting stuff. Thanks to the moonlight and also the city lights, actually able to see the rain going from clouds to the ground as we pushed its way over the Vancouver waterfront, all thanks to the Hotel Indigo Kirkland tower camera for capturing that for us. Of course, that cloud coverage helped to put a bit of a damper on the mercury from climbing too rapidly, only managing to make it up into the mid-60s. That's nearly 10 degrees cooler than where we should be for this time of year. 74 is that average temperature out in Portland. Now a live look out over the Rose City as we see a few of those raindrops still accumulating on our camera lens here as some rain showers are making their way through the area. Right now, just falling below the 60-degree mark as we expect to see those on-again, off-again rain showers throughout the rest of this evening. Winds right now out the east-southeast at about 8. But we are in no short supply of the wet weather. You also notice out along the Pacific, just offshore, catching a little bit of lightning activity that will unlikely be pushing its way into the I-5 corridor until we get to tomorrow. That's where we have a better chance to see maybe a rumble of thunder or a clap of lightning. But right now, some heavier downpours. Those yellows and oranges, a good indication of the heaviest of the downpours. So we'll zoom into the Portland area right now, seeing a good soaking rain for downtown. But if we zoom into the Oregon City area, you'll notice these reds. That's going to put us in the very high category with high precip amounts. So check your rain gauge after this continues to track its way to the north. You might have just picked up on a nice dose of the accumulation. That's where the McMinnville area has tipped the scale over a full inch of rain today, nearing that half-inch mark. In Portland, we got another 40 minutes or so where we could close in at hitting that half inch. As far as the thunderstorm potential goes, nothing severe, but maybe a clap of lightning and a rumble of thunder is a very real possibility for tomorrow afternoon as our atmospheric river starts to dive its way a little bit further to the south. But then we get a secondary stream of moisture, a secondary atmospheric river that keeps all of that wet weather in the Pacific Northwest through the middle of the week. So let's time it all out for you. Here's those rain showers that continue to take us into tomorrow morning. It will be a wet commute. Those yellows and oranges, again, the heaviest of the rain expected as we get into Tuesday night, midnight. Wednesday morning, the heaviest of the rain. The Super Soaker event is here, and that will likely kick up some winds as well, as additional rain accumulation puts us close to about a half inch to even an inch, inch and a half, especially the further west you go along the coast, as our flood watches have just now expired. But like I mentioned, those winds kicking up out of the south, nearing about 30 to 35 miles per hour for tomorrow afternoon. So not only will we see the rain, but we will see the wind, as tonight we fall to about 57 degrees. Tomorrow's the kiddos head off to school. You'll want to make sure they have the rain jacket. 60 degrees by drop off, and heading home, still rainy and very windy. As our 7-day forecast does show, the wet weather is here to stay at least through Thursday. Friday, we start to see those clouds break apart, the sunshine returns, and those daytime highs approach 70 degrees once more before we kind of do it all over again on Monday with another chance of rain.
Yeah, that looks like a great fall weekend ahead, too, doesn't it?
It really does.
Yeah.
The skies open up. Get out, enjoy it.
Thanks, Josh. Hey, Adam, what's happening over there in sports?